tingnan natin kung kaya nilang lumaban. Ganon. That's what you do. And that comes with age. Like, you wanna hit me that way, I'll hit you this way, and there's no coming back from that. Parang ganyan. Mga one time, big time. Kasi all they do is like, irritate. No. Walang ganon. Panindigan mo. What about Panda's post? On my post? I think that's so, like, I own the necklace. You know, I can do whatever I want and pull it out. Basically, Panda owns the necklace. So, hindi siya loan. So she can do whatever she wants with it. Tips on having hives. Wala tayong magawa para lagi tayo nagkaka-hives. So, wala. Just calm down, cleanse your skin, and try to also think about what triggers your hives. Because sometimes I get that too. You want to say hi to Panda? Pan, come here! Chappy, madami kang fans! Come here. Say hi to Chappy. Say hi. Panda now is wearing her Fendi collar. Ayun. So Panda is my most spoiled baby girl. So I don't understand why people are making it such a, that I put diamonds on her. Actually, she's the best person to put diamonds on. You know why? Because she'll bite you if you go near her. So hindi pwedeng manako. So sometimes I do that also. I put diamonds on her and it's fine. Because hindi siya pwedeng makuha. Kasi mananakawan ko yun ng daliri. Diba? Yeah, especially like I try to, these are Aspens, they're rescue dogs. They deserve the world, so we'd like to elevate their look. And why not? I mean, siya naman totoong tagapagmana. Minana na niya yun. So, she can do whatever she wants to understand what the deal is. Like, diba? Nikki! I miss you so much, Nikki. Isa pa to eh. Effortless girl eh. Umakasi Tours, yes, I just want to say thank you so much for supplying our beautiful limousine Hummer in Japan. You guys made everything great for us. So thank you so much. Naka-built-in Toxi Panda, yes. YSL Tox, why not? Anything else? Panda, hindi ka na, anak naman. Pakita ka na dito. Huwag talaga start the show eh. Chappy! Kamusta ka na ng chats? See? Diba? Bakit hindi pwede magsuot ng Fendi? Bakit hindi pwede magsuot ng Diamond? Ba't mo pagbabawalan niya? Hindi naman niya pinull out yun. Pag mamayari naman niya yun, di ba anak? Pa? Diba? Diba na? Hindi naman ganun. Diba? Naaway niyo siya. Bakit yung inaaway si Panda? Ay, may pagkain. O, sige na, go ka na. Sige na. May pagkain daw. Oo naman, no? Royalty kaya yun si Panda. No, she wasn't adopted. She wasn't adopted from a shelter. She was actually adopted by my dad. He has a lot of like alagang Ascals, Aspens in Batangas and in Cebu, Batangas. So it just looks like she's a husky, pero really pag nanganak ang Aspens, they're like a box of chocolates. You never know which color you're gonna get. Anything else? What is her breed? She's an Aspen, so she's a mix of all breeds. Hello, Impat 03. What? Chuchut! Hi, Chuchut! Hi, June! Hi, Vanessa! Tudo bem? Muito saudade! Muito saudade de feijoada, pão de queijo, farofa, guaraná. Tá bom. Beijo. Fique com Deus. Tchau. Ano, na-insecure ako? With what? With who? Why am I not? Guys, we're like not in our, move on. I'm not insecure. Who is even insecure these days? Like, maybe we do have like our fears and our insecurities, but it's like, not to that extent. Diyos ko, kasalanan na kung may insecure pa. Everybody's healthy, everybody's happy. Diba? Yeah. What? Anything else? Hello, Belle from Cebu. Panda is all over the internet. Is she? Well, deserve ni Panda. She deserves it. To Panda and your cat nag-aaway. Before, smirning ko si Panda na nag-growl siya, nakakalagad yung pusa or something like that. Pero pinigilitan ko siya ng one time, big time. After that, minirinig na lang ang pusa nag-meow-meow. Nakita ko na lang silently, kinakalagad siya. Pero pinigilitan ko na siya. So, the answer is no, hindi na. Panda is a silent killer. What time do I sleep? I usually sleep at 9, 9:30. I get message. Hi, Retty! Guys, what is up? Parang ang dami yung hanash sa internet ngayon. Guys, just let it go. Life's too great. Hindi ako makakape. Where's Yogi? He passed. It's been a few months. We're still very sad, but he passed. He was already 15 when he left us. How many piercings I have? I don't know. I have a lot. Any other questions, guys? Before I chillax and take off my makeup and... Thank you so much. Yeah, so anything else? So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to say hello and happiness all the way. Just enjoy life, people. Everybody's just trying to do their own thing. I'm maybe a couple of months ago when I cared about certain things, I don't really. Life is just too good. Everybody's healthy, everybody's happy, everybody's just trying to do their own thing. So just relax and enjoy life. Exactly, Nestle. Enjoy life. And if you know the diamonds are there, use them, diba? And diba? Hindi na natin problema yun. Okay? Yes. Exactly. Alright. Okay. So I don't know what you guys plan to do with this video. You chop it up and then try to do something. Guys, life is too good. Relax. Basta nakadiamond si Panda. Exactly. She deserves it. And sa kanya yun. Alright guys, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna relax now. Oh yes, okay. LHK, belated happy birthday to Mama Doris. I hope you're well. Okay. Bye.